Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on payment notifications in the Wallet app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Wallet app, and here in the Wallet app, in the top right corner, we have our Google account sign. If we tap on that, we can proceed by tapping on wallet settings, and here in the middle, in notifications, we can turn on review purchases, which means that we can see transaction details after we make a purchase. If we tap on the little icon, we can turn it on. The Android is probably going to block it. You have to go into settings. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.